Hello and welcome. Now at this point our hardware for our self-driving car is almost ready. So next step is to build a track. Now to build the tracks I will use a simple black charts here. I will build a pretty long track, let's say with 12 to 15 black charts, but for now let us start with the 4 charts. I stacked my charts together to make a continuous curved path for my self-driving car. Next step is to stick all the charts together. For this purpose I will use this instant glue. Now let's glue first 2 charts together. For my first 2 charts I will glue them in a straight fashion, or we can say the orientation. Now let's move on to our third chart. Now from here I have to make nice curve with my third chart. So I will stick my third chart at certain angle. Now place your chart to make a nice curve and tightly press them together. This fourth chart I will also place at certain angle to extend the curve of my track. Alright, so this is also done. Now this is our continuous track made up from 4 charts, but we will extend this track in later videos as per our requirement. Now for the white lanes to guide our self-driving car, I will use these white strips. You can easily make these strips from the white chart. If I talk about the width of these strips, then it's entirely up to you, but try to cut less than 1 cm as in width to get a best performance. Now let's start making our lanes. I will start from this side. Press it nicely to stick it properly. Now next strip I will place at distance of almost, let's say, 30 cm to my first strip. This is almost 30 cm, and this track width usually depends upon the width of our robocar chassis. Now for our second lane we will still have adequate space, but I will make a second lane in the later videos. Alright, so let's move on to our second chart. Repeat the same process for our second chart also. Now from here start making curve to this lane. Same for this strip. Try to follow the curve. We are almost to finish, so press it nicely. Now our last step. Alright, so our track is completed. Now in the next subsequent videos, we will use this track for our image processing.